Question 4 of the BECE 2018 Mathematics Theory question. That's your BECE, that's your Junior WAEC 2018 Mathematics Past question. Okay, question 4. All right, it says the table below is the color of cars used in a particular school. All right, it's the question A. This is our table here. Question A says how many cars are in the school. Now look at our table. It says this is the color, okay, and this is the number of cars. So black has how many cars? 10. So cars that are blue, we have 9. Cars that are cream, we have 12. Multicolored, we have 7. Red, we have 8. White cars, the number of white cars in the school, we have 15, and number of yellow cars, we have 14. All right, so the question A says how many cars are in the school. Is simply the addition of all this. Okay, so you're just going to write you just say 10 plus 9 plus 12 plus 7 plus 8 plus 15 and plus 14. So this will give us what? It will give us what? 75. Okay, so we have 75 what? Cars. Okay, so you state this, and this is your answer for question A. Now question B says what? Draw a bar chart to represent the data. Okay, a bar chart. I hope you know how a bar chart looks like. Okay, a bar chart is different from a histogram. Okay, for a bar chart you have something like this, then you have your bars. Okay, your bars should be separated. Okay, but for a histogram, your bars are not what separated, they are joined together. You see a histogram like this, you see it like this. Okay, this is a histogram. All right, but bar charts, you have what? Separations. All right, okay, so let's draw the bar chart to represent this data. Okay, I don't have a ruler. Okay, so but for you, you're going to use a ruler and a pencil. All right, so we'll draw here. Okay, so here will be your number of cars. All right, so we can so let's say this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, then we have 5, then we have 6, 7, 8, 9, and we have a 10 here, 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14, then 15. Okay, they might give you a graph sheet in as in to answer this on, or maybe just a plain sheet, but make sure you use your ruler and make sure you do your numbers this way. Okay, if you're given a graph sheet, it's quite easy for you to get the values here. So this is our 5, this is 10, and this is what? 15. Why I stop at 15? Because the highest number of cars here is what? 15. Okay, if it was above, definitely this line will go further up more. All right, okay, so our first chart, okay, it says for what? Black is what? 10. All right, so 10 will be here. Leave a space. Remember, this is a bar chart. Okay, so you have to leave a space. So we have 10. Sorry, my line not too straight. So this is for black cars, which is for 10. Okay, and you write black. Okay, write it better than this, please. Okay, I would have used a graph here, but it might not, there might be no enough space. Okay, just bear with me. This is the way you're going to answer this. All right, now for blue is what? 9. So let's trace where is would 9 fall. 9 will fall somewhere here, since this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so leave a space from here and start here. Okay, start your line from here. Just draw your bar. Okay, then go take it down and take it what? Down, and this is what? Blue. Okay, now cream is what? 12. So if this is 10, we have 11, 12. Okay, and let's draw the line somewhere here and take it down, and let's write what? Cream. Okay, cream. Okay, all right, the next one is what? 7. That's a multicolor 7. So we have here 5, 6, 7. Okay, we'll trace it down here. And let's start here. Remember to leave your space. Once you don't leave a space, you're already drawing a histogram, okay? So a bar chart, there are spaces in between the bar. Always remember that, okay? And you write multicolor, okay? Multicolor. All right, the next one is red, which is 8. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, just a bit another upper line. Okay. Okay, so we have here we have red. Sorry about this, okay? So this is red. Now white, we have 15. 15, that's the highest number of cars, 15. So we're going to have it somewhere here. And draw your line. There must be a space between the bar. Let's draw, since we still have one more to go. Okay, and we have white. Okay, then the next one is yellow. Yellow is 14. So somewhere here, just a line below the white one. Remember to leave your space. Very important, since we are asked to draw a bar chart. Okay, and this is yellow. Okay, all right, so this is the answer. All right, this is the way you just label your diagram. All right, so you're going to use, this is the number of cars, and this is colors. Make sure you write this. Okay, number of cars here, can write it here or write it by the side, then also write here colors. Okay, so this is the way you represent this on a bar chart. Now question C says identify the popular color. Definitely the popular color is white, so you just write here the popular color is white, which is equal to 15 number of cars. All right, now D says the statistical name for the popular color. This is D. The popular color is called what? Now, what's the statistical name? Remember, in statistics, you have your mean, median, mode, and your range. Okay, your range is the highest number minus the lowest. Your median is the middle number, while mode is the highest number of an occurring element. Okay, here we're talking of cars, and the highest number of your cars here is identified as white. But this question says what is the statistical name for the popular color? Okay, what is it's called? So the statistical name is mode. All right, if you were asked for your average, it means your mean. Okay, if you were asked, okay, what is the statistical name of the middle number, is your median. All right, okay, so for this, the statistical name for the popular color is called your mode. Now E says find the probability of selecting the popular color. Now remember your formula for probability. Formula for probability is the number of possible outcomes. I hope you remember the number of possible outcomes divided by the number of required outcome. Okay, and here we are asked find the probability of selecting the popular color, and what is the number of possible outcome of the popular color of selecting it is 15, since we just have 15 cars, okay, for your popular color. All right, so we have 15, and what is the number of required outcome? Definitely the number of required outcome is the total number of cars. That is what is required from you to select any popular color, okay, from it. Okay, so and that is 75. So we have 15 divided by 75, and 15 can go in 75 how many times? It could go, or let's start with 5. 5 here would go how many times? 3 times. And 5 here will go how many times? That's 1 and a 15 and 5, and 3 here will go here 1, and 3 in 15 will go here how many times? 5 times. So we are left with 1 over 5. So this is the probability of selecting the popular color from the total number of cars. All right, so our final answer here is 1 over 5.